and I will be your math teacher for today. I'll make you discover the wonderful world of mathematics 4. Are you ready? That's great! But before we go to the world of exploration, please check if you have the following materials. Do you have with you your module, your notebook, your pen, and of course, your snacks? If all is set and ready, come on, let's start our learning adventure! Today, you are going to learn visualizing numbers up to 100,000 with emphasis on numbers 10,001 to 100,000. Math 4, Quarter 1, Week 1. After going through this lesson, you are expected to visualize numbers up to 10,000. Give place value and value of a digit. Read and write numbers in symbols and words. And compare numbers using relation symbols. But how do we visualize numbers? Let's answer first learning task 1. Based on the picture model below, answer the given questions. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. How many 1000s, 100s, and 1s do we have in set A? We have 8 1000s, 4 100s, and 3 1s. Great! Let's continue. Number 2. How many 1000s, 100s, and 1s do we have in set B? We have 5 1000s, 8 100s, and 6 1s. Number 3. How many 1000s, 100s, and 1s do we have in set C? We have 9 1000s, 6 100s, and 6 1s. Now, what is the total number of sticks in set A? We have 8,403. Number 5. What is the total number of sticks in letter B? We have 5,806. And number 6. What is the total number of sticks in letter C? We have 9,606. What objects represented the numbers in learning task 1? Very good! The numbers are represented by stick bundles and pieces. Sometimes we use objects to represent big numbers. These objects help us visualize how big a number is. One way to visualize big numbers is by representation using number list. Look at our example. Can you imagine how big the number 34,569 is? Let's visualize 34,569 using number disc. First, let's separate or group the disc by 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So, we have 3 10,000s, 4 1,000s, 5 100s, 6 tens, and 9 ones. Let us now get the values. 3 10,000s is equal to 30,000. 4 1,000s is equal to 4,000. 5 100s is equal to 500. 6 tens is equal to 60. And 9 ones, which is equal to 9. We can also express their values in expanded form. Just simply write 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 9 is equal to 34,569. Now, let's read and write the number. It is read as 34,569 and written in symbols as. Remember, in writing a number in symbol, the digits are separated by a comma or space in groups of 3 called periods, starting from the right. While in words, it is written as 34,569. Another way to visualize how big the number is by representation using the blocks and grids. Note that one block is equal to 1,000, one flat is equal to 100, one long is equal to 10, and one square unit is equal to 1. Now, let's visualize 12,349 using blocks and grids placed in a place value chart. How big is 12,349? Let's put the blocks and grids according to the right places in the place value chart. There are 1 10,000s, 2 1,000s, 3 100s, 4 10s, and 9 ones. Did you notice the place value of each digit? The place value of 1 is in the 10,000s place, which has a value of 10,000. The place value of 2 is in the thousands place, which has a value of 2,000. The place value of 3 is in the hundreds place, which has a value of 300. The place value of 4 is in the tens place, which has a value of 40. And the place value of 9 is in the ones place. Now, let's read and write the number in symbols and in words. We write 12,349 in expanded form as 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 9 is equal to 12,349, while we write it in symbols as and in words as 12,349. Understanding place value and value of a digit is very important. It helps us compare numbers easily. This number is read as 89,056. Have you noticed the number 0? What is its place value? How important is the number 0 in the place value? The digit 0 is an important placeholder in a number. In chart A, with the place of 0, the value of the digit 9 is 9,000. While in chart B, without a place of 0, the number becomes 8,956, which means the value of 9 will be 900. And the number is read as 8,956. These numbers are different. Let us try to compare. Which do you think is the bigger number? Let's see if you got it right. In comparing numbers, we start to compare from the highest place value of each digit or starting from the left. Since the digit starting from the left is 8, Let us identify its value in both charts. In chart A, the digit 8 has the value of 80,000, while in chart B, the digit 8 has the value of 8,000. Therefore, 89,056 is greater than 8,956. Now, get your notebook and pen and try to answer the following activities. Are you ready? Let's go! Learning Task 2. Use number Ds to show the following numbers. Next, time's up. Let's check your answers. In number 1, 32,310 has 3 10,000s, 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 1 10. It has nothing in ones place, so we write 0. The answer in number 2 is... Did you get the correct answers? Remember, to visualize and represent number up to 100,000, we must separate or group by 10,000s, 1,000s, hundreds, tens, and ones of a number. One way to represent the number is using these in blocks. The value of a digit is determined by the place value it occupies. The place values of a digit in numbers up to 100,000 is based on the place value chart starting from the right ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. But in reading a number, always begin with the digits in the first period on the left and say the period where the digits are. Then say only the digits in the units period. In writing a number in symbol, the digits are separated by a comma or space in groups of 3 called periods starting from the right. Let's check how much did you learn in this lesson. Get your notebook and pen, then answer the following.
Next, 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 and last,
Now, here are the correct answers. Once again, I'm Teacher Casey. See you on our next math adventure. Goodbye!